In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on 1688 app without an agent. We'll move from search to payment to forwarding so you can place your own wholesale orders with confidence. Start by opening the 1688 app. Because the platform is in Chinese, you'll get the best results by searching with Chinese keywords. You can translate your terms and paste them into the search bar. Once you open a product page, slow down and read carefully. Look at the minimum order quantity, often called MOQ, so you know the smallest quantity you can buy. Check the price tiers to see how the unit price drops when you buy more. Then review product specifications such as color, size, material, or any technical details to make sure you're choosing exactly what you need. Before you buy, verify the seller. Favor stores that have been operating for at least a few years, as longevity often signals reliability. Check the diamond or crown rating and scan their transaction volume to see if they're actively fulfilling orders. Rate buyer reviews, especially those with photos, to spot consistent quality. A complete product description is another good sign. Be cautious with brand new sellers offering prices that seem unrealistically low. It's smart to chat with the seller. Tap Lianxi Mai Jia to open the in-app chat and ask about stock availability, the actual price for your quantities, and the estimated shipping time. Confirm that they can ship to your warehouse city. Keep all communication inside 1688 so there's a record tied to your order. Next, add your China warehouse address. Go to My Account, then Shipping Address, and enter your freight forwarder's Chinese address exactly as provided. Double check the recipient name, phone number, city, and postal code before saving. Accuracy here prevents delays and misdeliveries. When you're ready, choose your product specifications, color, size, and quantity. Then tap Jia Ru Jin Ho Dan to add to cart. Open Jin Ho Dan to review everything one more time, and tap Q Jai Sun to proceed to checkout. Confirm the correct address and variants before submitting. For payment, select Zifu Bao or Alipay. Confirm the order, then complete the payment in the Alipay window. Your money is held in escrow, which means it isn't released to the seller until delivery is confirmed, adding a layer of protection. Avoid paying outside the platform. Track domestic shipping in My Orders. You'll see statuses like Daifahua for not shipped and Yi